Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Goodwill Puppet Theater. My name's Baldy, the American bald eagle, and I'm the symbol of the country. This is my pal Moose. Say hello, Moose.
Hello, Moose.
Yeah, Moose, he's got a mental deficiency. He was struck in the face with a baseball bat when he was a child, and now it makes him, what's the word I'm looking for? Oh, yes, mentally retarded.
You shouldn't say that about people. It's 2019. People will be offended and sad.
Are you serious right now, Moose? You serious with that? I don't know. I kind of am of the belief that people just need to get over some stuff, right?
Well, I don't know about you, Baldy, but I don't think I'm that bad. Right, Felix the Phoenix? Felix is going through a rough patch right now. You see, last night, I physically and sexually assaulted him. Right, Felix? He's in a tremendous amount of pain.